Hi guys, this is Sanglade. Hey, I'm here to show you how to assemble that I don't know how many pointed star that you saw in my classroom today. Actually, the units that you see here are the ones that I took apart. That was the ball that you saw in my classroom today. So there are 6 different colors, as you can see, and there are 5 of each unit, and these are going to be assembled into that ball you saw earlier today. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to take one unit and you're going to take a color of a different unit, and you're going to start by putting together a pyramid, just like we did on the last one. Okay, now we're going to start paying attention to color. That's why the colors were so important today. Okay, so do you notice how I used a pink tab here? I'm going to come over here and use a pink tab. So these will always match on the inside valley of this. This will always match. Okay, so I've used pink, I've used yellow, I've used blue. So you're just going to continue using colors that you haven't used before if you don't have anything to match it to, if that makes sense. Okay, so but if you have something to match it to, then you're definitely going to match. Okay, so we've made a second point on our ball. Okay, so what our goal essentially is, let me show you what our goal is. Here's 1, 2. We're going to make a third point here. We're going to make a fourth point down here, and we're going to make a fifth point down here. So it's going to be a round of 5 points. Okay, so you can see that we've used green here. So we're going to come grab a green tab over here. Now, so we've used blue, yellow, pink, green. Let's go ahead and use a purple. Okay, and let's complete that. About need 4 hands for this. Okay. All right, so there's that. And so you can see I've used purple there. So I'm going to use another purple tab there. Now watch what happens. Before we complete this one, I want you to see that I'm going to go ahead and put this tab in over here because that's actually where it's going to belong. Okay, the reason that's important is because now that's going to tell us what color, since I use blue here, that's what color I need to come use over here. Okay, and so all we need to do to finish this one is to, since we had a yellow tab here, I need to do a yellow tab there, and when I put this one in, I will have completed this round. This is that round of 5 that I was telling you about. Okay? All right, so to continue on from there, what you're going to do is you're going to pick a point right off of this. So let's say, for example, do you see these 2 points? I'm going to make this round of 5 here. Okay, so we have blue here. So I'm going to start with blue. Now, you're thinking, uh-oh, what color do I put here? It's that 6th color you haven't used yet. So you're going to put that 6th color here. Okay. And the rest of this should just start to be matching your colors. Okay, so there's your third point. Okay, and so we use that dark blue. Let's go in and put the dark blue. Now, do you remember what you do here? You pull that tab from underneath and you put it in there. Remember why that's important? Because that's going to help you to see what this tab is going to become, right? Green to green. Alright, and then all you have left to do on this one is to finish this pyramid, right? And so we've used yellow here, so we need to use yellow there. Alright. Oh, and you hope and pray that it doesn't fall apart. Alright, see how it's coming together? Okay. All right, so you basically kind of just keep on doing the same thing. This one goes in there. Let's see. All right, so let's continue building on from this one. Let's see. This one takes the blue. This one goes right here. I hope I'm right. Am I right? Yeah. All right, and so this one takes the purple. Oh, I'll go in. There we go. Goodness. And then the last color that we need to complete this 5-point is a pink. Okay, it's coming together. Do you see it coming together? All right, so let's go do this one. Here's my 3 points. So I'm going to do blue here. I'm going to put that purple in there. All right, that's going to help me to see what goes in here. It's so exciting to see when these units start to dwindle. You know you're almost finished. All right, and then the last thing I have left to do is just to finish this one. Right. And that's why those creases are so important, because if your ball is falling apart right now, you probably need to take that popsicle stick or that pencil or that ruler or something and go back and press on those folds, because that's what will help to stay together. Here's another three-er, and I bet if you probably needed to, you could probably end the video here. I mean, if you pretty much got the gist of it. But if not, you know, continue watching me put this together. It's kind of fun. Maybe not on your end. Maybe it's boring for you. I don't know. But it's about the 3rd time I put this together, and I remember the first time that I tried putting it together. It was a nightmare. Oops, sorry. It was a nightmare. I could not figure it out, but I stuck with it, and I finally figured it out. So, all right, so it's coming together. All right, so then this is where it starts to get hairy, right? So, oh, look, we're right. All right, the blue matched, and that came right from this one over here. So this one's a green, right? So this gets a green one. All right, let's see what else we need. So we need a blue, and then let's put that yellow tab in. Sorry, I'm trying to keep you in the video. All right, let's see, where are we? Let's see, purple, right? So we need this purple to complete that. All right, now what? Looks like, oh, look, it goes together. There it goes. All right, there's my 5. I just need that pink to finish that one off, right? All right, let's see, what else? Purple. I need, oh, there's my purple. I was a little concerned because I didn't have another purple one. Let's see, that's green, so I need that green. And then here's that pink. Oh, sorry, got you off video. There's that pink I need. Oh, goodness, look how little this space is. So let's see, I need that yellow here. I need, this might help if you kind of fold, oops, fold those tabs out a little bit so you can kind of get in there, because you're going to need that. So here's the yellow. Here's that green you need. There's the other green. And there's the other yellow. Ta-da! And then you just kind of take it and you just kind of ease it together and kind of help it together. Pretty cool, huh? Here's the cool part about it. You probably already noticed, but the way we put it together, if you notice, it kind of has a band of blue, a band of green going down around, has a band of pink, and it's just how we assembled it together. So could this be made into, not, because we started with one of 4. That was yesterday's ball. Then here's one with 5. I wonder if you can do one with like 6 and 7. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm sure the ball would get bigger. But you know what I found really cool tonight is I was at the Dollar Tree, and they had these note cubes of 3.5-inch paper. It was like 5 colors, but 500 sheets for $1. And so I'm like, there's no cutting of squares or anything to do. So anyway, if you're looking for some cheap paper to do this origami, because I'm a freak when it comes to this origami stuff. But yeah, that's like a really cheap cheap 500 sheets of square paper, and it wouldn't be origami paper that cost you like $8 for 25 sheets. But anyway, there's a ball. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.